Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So currently in Windows 10 and Windows 11, if you want to access the Emoji panel, you can use the Windows key and the stop button or the full stop button on your keyboard, and that launches the Emoji panel. And I did post in November that Windows 11 could get a new emoji button for the taskbar, which means you could actually launch the emoji panel from a button here in the taskbar or the system tray. Now, late last week, as I posted, Microsoft rolled out Windows 11 build 226.35.4580, which is the latest beta channel build, and I posted on that, and I'll leave that video link down below in the end screen. But yeah, just to let you know that in that build, Microsoft has added a new feature called Emoji and More. Although it's still in its early days though, and the feature actually isn't working, I thought this was interesting, and just to do a follow-on from that previous video like I like to do, just to keep us posted if this is a feature you have been interested in. Now, if we head over to a screenshot provided by Windows Latest, here we can see that if you head to your settings, personalization, taskbar page, under the system tray icons, you've got Emoji and More, which says show the Emoji and More panel icon in the system tray. Now, just to quickly put this all into context before we have a look at the actual settings, currently in the stable, if we right click on our taskbar and click on taskbar settings, this is where the option will be here under system tray icons. So you can see not appearing yet in the stable because it's still early days in beta, but just to give you a general idea. So now heading back to that screenshot, here we've got a couple of options. You've got always, which means that it'll always be in the system tray while typing. And what this means is that the Emoji and More icon will show on the taskbar only when you're typing in a text field. So you can tap on the icon to insert an emoji, symbol, character, or access the Windows 11's clipboard history directly from that panel. And then obviously you've got never. And what I like about this is that it does seem that this is on its way to the stable in an up-and-coming release, although it's still early days, and clicking on the actual, enabling this feature doesn't actually put anything in the system tray as yet because it's still early days in the beta. I don't see why this wouldn't come to the stable version, but what I like about this is that you have got a couple of options. So if you're like me and you never use emoji, I would just keep it at never. Or you could have while typing or always, depending on your use case scenario or your own personal choice and preference. And I always say I like it when Microsoft does give us options to be able to turn things on and off and customize to your own personal choice and preference. So that's the latest on that new emoji button for the system tray on the taskbar, and just keeping you posted if you would be interested. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.